Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day one of LIB trip. So now let's see, what do we have on the agenda? Wait, I forgot to introduce myself. Okay. Hey guys, my name is Bishu Francis. If this is your first time coming across my channels, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Share to your neighbors, share to your dog, anybody that have a YouTube channel, share. Anyways, so I think today, day one on... Okay, what was I saying? Today is day one. I think on the agenda, my sister is doing her hair. Let me show you her. Say hi.
Hi. Okay. Hi, guys.
You're looking good. Good. So then, after that, we're going to eat some. I think Prince was saying, he said today, not CDC. They have the, what you call it? Now I know Doma place or GB place. That it did good. Yeah, that's what he was saying. So we're going to 72nd Boulevard to swallow some Dumbo or GB, whatever, one of those. And then after that, we're going shopping. No, we're going. Oh yeah, we're going to Mr. Mayo. And then after that, we're going shopping, and then later on clubbing. But I'll try my best and take you guys with me. I'll take you guys with me however I can and everything.
Alright,
but
so
maybe
the camera can off on this side.
yes, but it's still recording,
Yeah,
even to my side. So you guys should stay tuned. I'll make sure you have fun through my eyes. Okay, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, we're ready to hit the street. And today, that's the outfit of the day. Simple as that. And that's it. Nothing else. And that's her outfit of the day.
What's up? We are in LIB, aka Liberia, my country here.
Yes,
so we are chilled.
but we are here.
What is that?
Say hi to the Say hi.
Just say 2 minutes.
You look good. Just say 2 minutes, then we're going outside. Go for Joe. Jay, come in. In-law, say hi. I mean, in-law. Did I just call you in-law? I said, uncle. I'm sorry, my uncle. That's my lovely uncle right there. Do you see? He looks like my twins.
I glad you know that.
That we look alike. I think that's my dad. He can actually go ask my dad.
Sure.
My dad. She said, big brother. I said, no, my
It's
dad.
not for them to be respecting you as their auntie.
Look.
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah.
No, I can't respect my uncle. But I'm not calling them. No, uncle, sorry.
Ule yantes ya. Mora lele ya. They say hold the two there. She see what too. You say what thing? You say what thing, Guinea? Why? Yako. So, people, now, earlier when I told you guys we were going out, yeah. We're about to go see mines.
Your father's house?
Yeah. Oh, that my big sis is building for him. So yeah, we're about to go take a look at it. So see you guys soon. And I'm eating some.
And he don't know we
peanuts.
coming.
He doesn't know we're coming. So yeah. So we're about to go see the house. My sister is building. She's just rushing.
I told him I just surprised with him.
Oh my God, I like it on the side. I like the feeling. Like, I like, man, good to travel, man. Honestly speaking, it's a hard work, but what? I like every bit. Who calling me? That you. Every day surprise. That you the Chani woman? Hello, Mr. Mayo. How you doing, yeah?
Hello, Mr. Mayo.
Yo, yeah. You're welcome. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm ready for my wow. Contract you. Please hold it. No, this side. Hold it. Yeah. Show me inside. Yeah, we need to surprise. My sister is building the house. This is how we do it. Let's go, yeah. Hello.
Yeah, look at it. That time you see on the camera or not looking clear, but it was clear. Look, it's shiny. It get reflection.
That's nice.
Wow.
Yeah. You sure how you coming on?
How are you?
Before you can come, you don't know.
Okay, yes, it's easy.
Sorry. That's it. Don't.
Well, first, we're hoping that you will because the kitchen too small.
Cover down.
Yeah. Let it cover here.
Now they sing down there.
But I have to put the cover a little bit up like that.
Yeah.
What is still going?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Right here, yeah.
Okay.
You can build your stuff there. I don't know what kind of stuff you can build there. Anyway, all you say you can put a stove.
I want to let the freezer go on
Yeah,
outside.
yeah, anyway. Huh? I'm going to watch out top of story.
What go on outside? Ouch.
Let's go on that side.
Lovely.
But the top. Nice. Jimmy, I'll put my camera down. That's the last of them.
Sleeping here already.
Yeah, they are too.
Hey, master.
It's big. I like the color. It's very pretty.
Yeah.
I'm going to make one on there.
Yeah, the buyer, they are.
Just. Wow, nice bathroom.
Then I close everything.
Yeah, that's very beautiful. Who lives here? They're from the way.
They live in
They live in this here.
Yeah,
I want to make my own video that show me clearly. Isa, I'm bugging you, huh?
Okay.
So guys, we're here. One of the places I was telling you we're going to see is the house. The house looks very lovely. And then this is the back. No, I like that. That's very pretty. Like, yeah, more this way. Yeah, they have a lot of space. Oh, and then this is the back porch. Oh, that's a separate tent over there. They should bring even the kitchen more. They left all the space. All the space here. Yeah. Nice. Like the pillow. Very lovely.
We might not come on this side for it.
Nana, your car? See?
The fan is happening.
Pulling the guy down.
It will happen in
That's the cameraman. Thank you. Peace. That's a very lovely color. Yeah. That it looks pretty. Yeah. This is nice. Good job.
And where?
No, the separate time. Oh.
Yeah, like they play now. The water pressure. That one will do it later. That's why I was trying to tell you your movie because I know I'm coming. But you can move in December because how much detail face they wear? You move in December, I get money right now.
No problem. I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
They lease for
Yeah, right now.
Okay. I will first August. Okay. August, it's in a row. It can be bar. You have to come and give you.
August, they lease was the thing, but I got money right now. Okay. I want to do my vacation with the extra expensive. It's Ohio. It's Ohio expensive.
She said, he said, yes, we have. They kidnap you.
I need help.
Help, please.
I need help, please. I need help.
Do like this if you need help.
Please, I need help.
Where, please?